Now, do you want to make every of your YouTube shorts you post go viral? Yes, I made over 30 of my shorts blow up. My first one got 20k views, while my second one got 15k views, my third one 14k, and many of them. Just look at it. Are you seeing it? Even the worst of it all got 1k views. So today I'm giving you the exact 3 steps I use, and number 1 and number 3 is the key that makes everything works. So what? Step 1, master the 3 seconds hook, or should I call it 3 seconds thumbnail. See, if you don't hook people immediately your video comes up, they will swipe away. There is no doubt in that. See, let us reach it. No matter how good your video is. So the first 3 seconds of your video decide if your short wins or dies. For example, Mr. Beast, the biggest YouTuber alive. Let me play his video. That person is Dude Perfect.
This is the coolest thing I've ever done! Get out of my town! Come out with your hands up! I'm in trouble. Oh no! What happened back there? They got a guy in the gun! Alright, listen up, this will only take a second!
Welcome to Western Airsoft Battle.
Did you notice that in the both videos that I play, they grab your attention instantly with a shocking result, or a bold question, or an exciting promise, or something entertaining? Yes, if you watch the first 10 seconds of those videos that I play for Mr. Beast and Dude Perfect, their intro is very, very catchy. So here's how you can do it too. You can start with an exciting result. For example, I got 851 subscribers from just 5 videos. Yes, that alone is a very, very catchy 3 seconds thumbnail. Or maybe you can start by asking a question like, have you ever wondered why your shorts don't go viral? Yes. Or show a crazy and funny moment. Immediately they click on your video. So if you master the 3 second hook, you are already close to 50% of going viral. So did you notice that all the 2 videos that I played for you, they grab attention? So step 2 is what? Animation. Use animation to hold attention. Now that you have hooked them already, you need to keep them watching. So you understand? Now you have hooked them with the 3 seconds. You need to keep them watching the video. For me, animation was the secret in my shorts that time. If you check most of my viral shorts on my Bully of Lagos channel, they are all animated cartoons, and they brought crazy results. When I mean crazy results, crazy. Like the one that had 20.5k views, it gave me what? 246 subscribers. Yes. The one that had 15.3k views, it gave me what? 76 subscribers. The one that had 13k views, it gave me what? 230 subscribers, 230 subscribers. Yes. The one that had 14.3k views, it gave me what? 98 subscribers. The one that had 10.7k views, it gave me what? 201 subscribers. If you add all of them together, that is 851 subscribers from just 5 animated shorts. Shorts when they reach 50 seconds gave me 5 good different subscribers. So why? Because everybody loves cartoon. Adults, kids, we all love cartoon. Why? Because animation is colorful, fun, and keeps people glued longer than boring talking videos. Yes. If you want to teach how I create my viral animation, comment yes in this post. Comment yes if you want to teach how I create these animations. Comment yes in the comment section. Comment yes so I need to know. So step 3, use trendy sound to boost reach. See, after you have already created 3 seconds thumbnail, you have do animation. Now you use what? Trendy sound to boost reach. You need sound to push your show to new audience on every platform. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. The little music icon means trending sound. So sound is what the algorithm uses to find and push popular videos. That is it. Like sound is like backup to push your video. So you need to use sound for every of your videos. If you are using short too, and how did you use to use it? And here's how to use it. First, find a creator in your niche with a viral short. I'll be making use of animation because I'm teaching animation currently. So click on the video, search for their most popular video. I seen it. When you say their most popular video, click on the video. Now what? Tap on use this sound or click on that music icon first. Then tap use this sound for your shot. Then what? Upload your video. But remember, sound alone will not save you if your hook and animation aren't strong. So all three of them, they work together. Animation, sound, hook is equals to what? Going viral on YouTube. So if you combine these three things together, the 3 seconds hook, the animation, and plus trendy sound, see, your shot will go crazy, like your shot will go viral. So I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, comment still here. If you understand it, comment and understand below. So in my next video, I'll teach you how I create my animation cartoon. Even if you have never created any animation cartoon before, because it's a very, very simple video. You don't need to have a graphic experience. You don't need to even you have to use your smartphone. Just make it of what? 2 applications, and I'll teach you how to make it of it in my next video. So if you want me to teach you, let me know in the comment section that please, oh bro, teach us this animation that I use and do your viral shots so that you can do it. So I would see you in my next video. I am Bulu Vibes. Bye. In 3 minutes.